Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Welcome to Pratunam Market, Bangkok, Thailand's largest and most famous wholesale fashion destination. Located in the heart of Bangkok's Ratchathuri district, this iconic market features over 2,500 vendor stalls spanning multiple interconnected buildings and outdoor areas. Experience authentic Thai shopping culture with incredible wholesale prices starting from just 3 pieces, the best selection of trendy clothing in Bangkok, and unparalleled variety from Korean-style fashion to traditional Thai garments. Discover why over 50,000 daily visitors and international buyers from across Thailand, Asia, Europe, and the Americas choose Pratunam Market for unbeatable fashion deals, genuine cultural experiences, and wholesale prices 30 to 50% below retail. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Vibrant shopping haven with street food delights. Nestled in the bustling Ratchathuri district, Pratunam Market is a vibrant hub for bargain hunters and street food enthusiasts. Visitors rave about the endless rows of stalls offering a diverse range of fashion items, from trendy clothing to accessories, all at unbeatable prices. The market's lively atmosphere is amplified by the enticing aromas of local street food, with popular choices including pad thai and mango sticky rice. Please like, share, and subscribe. This long-standing market in Bangkok is a shopping haven for bargain hunters. Take a stroll through the alleys and marvel at all that's on offer: rolls of textiles, clothing and footwear, and even handmade crafts. There are even inexpensive laptops and cameras on offer for gadget lovers. Remember to brush up on some basic Thai phrases before you go. You might be surprised at the extra discounts or freebies you can score. Buying in bulk is often a lot cheaper too. It's a popular stop on many city tour and food tour of Bangkok, so go in the early afternoon when the shops are fully stocked. please do watch our other Bangkok, Thailand playlist. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Have you been to Bangkok, Thailand? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.